I'm not overly impressed with the buyers in the ETH session, and I'm not overly impressed with the sellers. We didn't do much. Basically, they held settle, not a big surprise, but they couldn't even break this upper IZ. Now, I did have this IZ zone a bit different last night when I created it, so I adjusted it a little bit this morning, but not much. We have an initial support here at 2760. That is basically it's not an automatic level by any means. I don't think any of these are. The S1 range low, depending on how we get there, might be. But in this environment, I just want to. Well, so today I'm coming in today with the neutral bias. I'm giving buyers a slight edge. I think Jason and our trade plan is relatively similar, as it should be. So this level, I really don't think we want to see yesterday's lows trade. This level, if we are going to balance, then I honestly don't think this S1 range low should break. For the open, what I'm looking at is I am looking for a wide opening swing. I'm looking for a wide opening print, actually. And then I'm kind of thinking that we'll get the wide opening print, and then we'll start to open auction in it. So you may have multiple levels to work with. You may have an opening print swing high and low, and you may have an opening swing range high and low that you can mark for reference. That does kind of clutter up the charts, but I mean, it is what it is, right? That's kind of what we do. We trade what we see, we mark what we see. We don't try to overthink it. Breaking above this IZ zone, then it strengthens this area. If we do break above this IZ zone, then I do not think that this initial support zone will break. However, if we do break above this IZ zone and we come back down here, then we could be in, the market could be in trouble. Great information, and this IZ zone will give us great information. Now, if the S1, if this initial support cracks before this IZ zone trades, then this IZ zone becomes very low probability that's going to trade. And what we could do is we could, depending on the energy, we could spend the day just balancing out in here. So this will become some good resistance. If this does not trade and this cracks, then this will be the area of resistance that I'm looking for on the charts. So